Hello everyone, my name is Nishant. Today we are going to discuss the Grammalogues from the Pitman Shorthand book. Now here is a list of Grammalogues from the chapter number 1st, the consonant, to the chapter number 5, diphthongs. Okay, now let's start. The first Grammalogues is a and. For a and we need to draw a dot above the line, For the dot on the line, For all, we need to draw the outline for dark line above the line. Small tick, only tick, is that clear? Only tick, small line for all. After that, 2 TWO2 and TWO2, here is a dark dash on the line. The next one is off and to. For off there is a light dash, is that clear? Light dash, and the TO2 light dash on the line. Light, here is a dark stroke, is that clear? Okay, now for on we need to draw a light dash on above the line, is that clear? And for bird, draw a light stroke on the line. Okay, the next is aw and ought, is that clear? For aw and ought, for ought there is a dark dash, dark dash, and for who there is a dark dash on the line. Here is a above the line, on the line. And should. Here you have to remember that the stroke for and, it's the upward direction. It's the upward direction above the line. And light. Is that clear? For should on the line, upward direction, should, ठीक है? Light stroke. Put, P, you know the stroke for P, ठीक है? So P, for P we need to draw the outline through the line, light, P, ठीक है? So for the put, draw the outline through the line, put. Is that clear? Okay. The next one is B. For B, you know the stroke for the consonant B. So draw the line, dark line, okay? So dark, here is our B. Dark is B. Is that clear? It's a B. For to be, draw the outline through the line. It's our to be, dark. Is that clear? Okay. Now the next one is it. Draw the line, light line, light. Is that clear? Light, ठीक है? Light, it on the line. Next, had, D, ठीक है? Dark line above the line, dark. Is that clear? For do, dark line perpendicular, dark stroke. Different, is that clear? Different, dark through the line, dark stroke. Much above the line, ठीक है? Light stroke above the line. Which on the line, is that clear? Which on the line, light stroke. Is that clear? The next one is how. For how, here is a sign for how on the line, how. The next one is why, there is a sign for why, ठीक है? Is that clear? Why above the line. The next one is beyond. There is semicircle above the line, Next one is you, semicircle on the line, large, KJ पता है? चे and J. So J, it's a dark J. इससे ही हमें ग्रामलोग्स कहते हैं large, dark. Is that clear? Can, above the line, light, above the line, can. Next, come, light, on the line. Is that clear? Go, क्या है go, dark line, के बता है G, गे, dark line, above the line. Given, give and given, ठीक है? तो the outline for given on the line dark, give and given. The next one is for, F, आपको पता है stroke F के लिए. So here is a F above the line, F above the line, light, ठीक है? I draw it again. Above the line, here is a F, light. Have, you know the stroke for V. So on the line dark, V, dark stroke. Is that clear? Okay. Next one is thank and thanked. Is that clear? Thank and thanked. TH आपको पता है, ठीक है? above the line TH, above the line TH, ठीक है? It's our thank and thanked, ठीक है? light stroke. Think on the line, light stroke. Is that clear? On the line, light stroke. दो जो है वो है above the line dark stroke. Them on the line dark stroke. Was, is that was जो है on the line dark stroke, ठीक है? as Z पता है आपको, तो वही स्ट्रोक है. So it's a dark. Is that clear? I repeat it again. Dark stroke was. The next one is whose. Through the line, whose, ठीक है? तो थर्ड प्लेस वाला वैसे भी आ रहा है प्रोनाउंसिएशन में, तो whose थर्ड प्लेस. Is that clear? Through the line, the outline should be drawn through the line, ठीक है? Whose. Shall, you know that shall, sh पता है. So sh जो है वही हमारा क्या है? shall. ग्रामलोग्स में क्या है? shall. ये हो गया हमारा sh, ये हो गया sh, light stroke. whose, dark stroke. sh, shall, light stroke. The next one is wish. e थर्ड प्लेस वॉवेल है, ठीक है? So sh को ही हमें थ्रू द लाइन निकलना है. थ्रू द लाइन कैसा? ऐसा. तो ये हमारा बन जाता है wish. So it's a wish. Is that clear? The next grammalogues is with. Now so with जैसे हमें यहाँ पे सेमी सर्कल निकाला है beyond और u के लिए, वैसे ही with के लिए भी क्या है? सेमी सर्कल है, ठीक है? So सेमी सर्कल above the line in a right direction, ठीक है? इधर, ठीक है? So it's a with. When, same as it is but on the line. Is that clear? With and when. With is above the line and when is on the line. So what change the direction. What above the line in this direction, left direction, ठीक है? So ये what. Same as it is for wood. The sign for wood is on the line, same direction, on the line. Okay, observe the grammalogues. Is that clear? Okay, the next one is o and he, ठीक है? So for o या o, ठीक है? So here's a small dash, perpendicular, straight, light dash, ठीक है? So the dash is a dark stroke. It's a dark stroke. And after that he same small dash but on the line there is a dark dash. Is that clear? So it's our he. Here are the list of grammalogues. Is that clear? Okay, so practice it, and in the next part we learn phrases. Is that clear? Okay, thank you.